Hey everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video, I'm going to give a review on online consistent money system. Right, I'll tell my personal, give my personal review on this program, and you can decide if this is the right opportunity for you or not. Right, so as you can see, start earning commissions of $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale. Right, so this is the capture page, what normally people get inside into. And if I enter my email address, you'll see how everything is looking on the back end. Right, so they tell you to watch this video. Right, after you watch this video, then you click on this button here. Then this one pretty much goes to the capture page at the end, and then in here you'll see what you need to do to actually get inside the program. Right, so I joined this program about 5 months ago, and when I actually got in, pretty much because there wasn't any tracking software, I needed to connect because I wanted to run solo ads on this particular offer. And when I actually reached out to them, it was very hard to get in touch with anyone. Like, you cannot even call anyone to talk to anyone, right? So it's all automated, and pretty much I sent them a couple of emails. My emails were pretty much ignored, and when I did find the answer, I did manage to get a hold of someone, right? And it took them a while to set up the tracking on the opt-in page, right? Because this opt-in page, we actually don't own or any of this opt-in page, right? This company pretty much builds everything for you, right? So what you're doing is pretty much you're just running traffic to this offer, right? And if anyone goes ahead and buys the offer, they need to call that number, that 1-800 number. They need to call just to get inside the program, right? So pretty much I wasn't getting much support. It's you just have to figure things out on your own. And pretty much also in the back end, there's training in there, but those training are like really outdated. I'd say it doesn't work now because everything constantly is changing online, right? So if you're someone who's like a complete beginner and you're looking all these numbers like $800, $2,400, $4,000, it might sound very appealing, right? Because they pretty much do everything for you. Like they call your prospect, they follow up with the prospect, and they make commissions for you, right? All you're doing is like pretty much driving traffic, right? So, and to me, this sounded very appealing in the beginning, but like when I got in, I wasn't getting any support. And then I told one of my friends that I found this amazing program. Why don't you call this number, right? And when he actually called, his questions were not even answered, right? He was the sales guy was in a hurry. He didn't get his questions answered, right? So that way he came back to me. He said, I'm not interested, right? So think about, like, you sending people to this offer, to this opt-in page. When someone opts in, it's your money that you're throwing out, right? End of the day, this company is not putting any money on the traffic or anything. So if you're a complete beginner, I'd say stay away from this offer, right? Because you'll be wasting a ton of money, and I was wasting a lot of money on solo ads. I wasn't getting no help, no support whatsoever, right? So stay clear out of this. But if you're a complete newbie, if you want to learn what I actually found, and the company that I actually joined is very heart-centered, right? And you're going to get all the support that you need, especially in the online space. You need that one-on-one support for you to start, grow, and run your home-based business, right? And I've done a lot of research into different companies, which I'll be bringing videos like my own opinion. So the company that I actually partnered with, and so if you're watching this video, you go beneath this video, you're going to click this link, and then you're going to get registered, right? So as you get registered, right? So as you click on this page here, then you're going to go to the page just to get access to this. Like in here, you're going to put your name. You're going to put your email address, right? Simple. and then you're going to get access to what I'm actually promoting now, right? You're going to click on that button, right? And then you're going to get access to this all-in-one business model, right? So what is all-in-one business model? So this is a business model that pays you recurring commission month after month, right? So if you complete beginner, we'll teach you how you can actually build your own funnel, right? How you can actually get people inside your funnel, right? Own funnel is going to be crafting, but for my team, from my side, I actually build the entire system for my team, right? Because I've already done the hard work. I know which actual funnel converts better. So I actually give my team. So I pretty much set the entire system for my team, right? So as soon as they join, I guide them step by step what they're going to get every single step of the way, right? So as you can see, this is the short tutorial, right? The video that you see. And pretty much once there's a lot of bonus that you're going to get, right? Personally, from my side, the bonus that you're gonna get is pretty much I set up everything for you. I give you the best traffic source, which one to use, either free method or paid method, and best capture page that you're going to get, and all my team bonus that you're gonna get. So I'll link a video in here. That's all the team bonus that you're gonna get. So click that video and go and watch it, right? And pretty much what you're gonna do is pretty much click on this link here, right? Get registered for $25 today, right? So it is a funnel building tool, but I actually don't know anything about building funnel. I have my own team, right? And pretty much what it is like a funnel building tool that you should promote. That's what actually I'm doing. And funnel building tool, then you're gonna get how you actually get traffic onto that funnel, right? And we have inside the training, we have free method and also the paid method, right? So whichever one you want to go with, but I'll tell you the best ones that's actually converting very, very great now. So you're gonna put your name here, email address and everything, and then you're going to go down, and in here from the company they give you a free bonus, right? So as a free bonus the company provides you, you're going to click on this link here, this button. So you get 14 days free trial for our premium traffic conversion access for the training, right? So you can test drive, and then after you have watched that, click on this button and do the checkout, right? So, and pretty much I'll also link a video on here so you can see my results from this program, and it's growing rapidly. So it's a recurring income, and month after month, as you start getting following all the free methods we have inside here, and then you start to get traction, right? So there's a lot of programs out there, but that's what I'll be bringing in this channel, like going forward, is which programs are bad out there and which are the good program, the one I just mentioned, right? You're going to be throwing a lot of money, and it's going to be very hard to get traction, right? If you just follow that and if you just do what they tell you, because you're not gonna get any support, right? So I leave all the link in the description. Also I'll leave my Facebook link so I can go and connect with me, and then I'll be here to help and support you every single step of the way. So again, thank you, and my God bless you all. Bye.